Welcome back to RevScale YouTube channel. My name's Max. I'm going to go over really quickly how to create a cross-sell flow, how to think about it, how to set it up, examples, all that good stuff. And so what I want to get across to you guys today is that the cross-sell flow has to be in line with AOV. What does that mean? So like, what is your average order value? Is it $80, say, for skincare, right? But the skincare itself probably costs around $50, but people tend to get more accessories that bump it up to 80, right? So whatever your best seller product is, compare that to your average order value, right? So you want to be able to cross-sell products to meet that AOV or your AOV goal, right? So if someone is buying your skincare, you should naturally think about cross-selling on your post-purchase flows, products that have a price that is below your AOV. So you don't necessarily want to be selling your flagships in your cross sells, right? Maybe you want to be introducing them, but really you should be selling and cross selling accessories, cheaper products, underrated products that like you think have potential for a wide audience, but aren't necessarily getting the love that they are seeing on like at the top of the funnel. So I like to use the cross sell either or to introduce the other best sellers, or more specifically things that go well with that product, and that usually is accessories, right? So like in the example of buying a shirt, you should be cross selling hoodies, pants, and jackets and stuff like that. But it also makes sense to cross sell shoes and socks and hats and stuff like that. So let me show you examples of both really quickly. So very simple, 30-day delay, give them some time to breathe. We also have a lot of other flows that we're going to be sending to them, like just the post-purchase flow, maybe some upsells and stuff like that. So this cross-sell flow, 30 days later, filter it by purchases. So if they bought work pants, right, then we want to sell shirts and hoodies. If they bought tops, we want to sell work pants, hoodies. If they bought hoodies, we want to cross sell like pants and shirts, right? Maybe this is an example right here. Premium tops is the cross sell. Let's look at here. So post purchase cross sell hoodie, right? We're going to be selling shorts, shirts, sweatpants, and crew necks, right? So you also want to give them variety, right? So like, don't just sell or highlight one short. You're trying to introduce people into your brand ecosystem, your ecosystems, your social media channels, all your other products, the community, everything that goes with that. So you want to give them options, and specifically with apparel, what we're seeing here is how visual it is, right? So like this shirt, multiple products, these pants, same thing. We're also seeing models wearing the products. Yeah, super, super simple. Let's go over some examples. I don't really need to show you how to set this up on Klaviyo because it's really easy. Like it's just the trigger is just someone bought, fulfilled order in specific, because if you do placed order, that it could be 7 to 15 days before they get the order depending on your delivery. Maybe it's next day, but more than likely than not, it's not. If it's fulfilled, it's much closer to being actually shipped, right? And you can also use apps like Wonderment that can be a little bit more exact with the timing, right? Post-purchase messaging is costing, order issues, late shipments, blah, blah, blah. This is a plug for Wonderment, but either way, fulfilled order, better than placed order, wait 30 days. Okay, conditional split, trigger split, contains men's work pants, right? And if it does contain work pants, then we want to sell the hoodies, right? You can see it here. It's probably a better example, right? Item contains pant, then we want to cross-sell anything else that's not pants, right? So post-purchase, fulfilled order, can do 30 days, and then you don't have to do this conditional split. We're split testing something, but just do a trigger split, right? This trigger split means the order contains pants, right? And so if it contains pants and that's a yes, you cross everything else that's not pants. Okay, and okay, what if it item contains pants is yes. What if the item does not contain pants, but it contains hoodies? Cross everything that's not hoodies. It's just this, it's the same logic. We go over here, yes, no, yes, this, no, this. Really simple logic that goes throughout all their categories, right? So conditional trigger split, Does it contain this item? If it does, cool. We don't want to sell them this item anymore. We want to sell them other items, cross-sell the items, and then cover your bases on all the others so you can keep it organized. That's pretty much it. It's super simple. If we show the analytics, this flow I think is producing like 3K in total revenue. Most of it is coming from that initial hoodie cross-sell flow, but really simple to make, really easy, really effective, and a great way to increase your retention, right? Really like cross-sell flows because especially when you have multiple products, it's so important just to introduce people to your brand, right? So that's pretty much it. It's super simple tutorial on the cross-sell flow. Let me know in your comments if you liked it or not. Like it, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We got a bunch of other tutorials coming. Just want to show quick and dirty examples, use cases, theory, diagrams, and some results, right? Okay, thank you so much.